guys. It is August the 23rd. I'm headed to Oregon for a wedding. I just got to the airport. So yeah, here we go. Just made it to Oregon, and now I'm gonna go get my bags. So, who for my vlog? Who won?
Well, Trent won one.
Race.
I have the best averages.
Ryan won the third race.
Who won the first?
I got a second.
Is that the first? Who won the first?
I was just driving, so it don't even matter.
Christian was a law-abiding citizen in the whole thing.
It is true.
I'm a soft-spoken guy, right up until I'm down.
Are you gonna say hello to my vlog?
Hello, vlog.
Hi.
I think this is perfect.
Okay, any ketchup or hot sauce for anyone? Ketchup. Ketchup? Okay.
My guess is she's gonna need a little bit more whipped cream. I'll let
Y'all, I almost slipped and fell like so many times. Like, oh, you're fine. You're fine. You can be that. I don't care. It's fine. Do y'all want to say anything to my vlog?
Hi. Hi.
Y'all, I almost slipped and fell so many times. Like, as you can see, I don't have on hiking shoes, and so I'm tagging along, and so it's just it's pretty crazy out here. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, cause the water's really, really loud, but it's nice. So nice over there.
I'm adding this to your vlog, Christian.
let me tell y'all one thing. Never go hiking in these. So you guys, I'm in the thrift store, and look what I found. That shirt is. And then I also found this shirt. I really like this shirt. I didn't go to Washington State, so it don't matter, but I like that. I really like that one. I really like this one. This one's really nice. The collar is crazy, but man, this is a lot of other stuff.
Again.
Are you blogging or vlogging?
Today I am at West Falls. I'm blogging.
Hey, hi.
Go ahead.
Hi, Christian's vlog. Welcome to the farm.
the happy married couple over here.
Of 26 years. Don't put that in there. Vicky.
Bride versus groom shoe game. So I'm going to be asking them some questions, and whichever person they think fits the question best, they're going to lift up that shoe. Does that make sense to everybody? Yes. Okay. So the first question, who said I love you first? Yay! All right. Who is the better driver? I would also agree with that. Let me hold your shoe apart. There you go.
Y'all, we're playing this game. I don't know much about this game. Can anybody say anything? Say it to my vlog.
Hey, vlog.
She's like, what?
This game is really hard to go back and watch. You guys are absolutely.
Oh, man.
You first.
Somebody. Yeah, there you go. Now you
Tanner? You guys are falling. Kaden, come on, Kaden.
I'm good.
Dawson's falling.
Oh, come on, Kaden. I want to crush that. Let's go. Put your leg up here.
Dawson's gonna rip his feet.
Twist. Yeah, I'm going
Kaden, you go first.
That's fine.
There you go.
Yeah, I'm going Dawson.
There you go. You're gonna leave it all on Dawson?
I couldn't keep the weight up.
guys. I'm currently in Denver, and I got one more plane to board when I get to Texas, and then I'll be home. I'm tired and I'm ready to go home.